Hi everyone, this is Arun Reddy here. Welcome to my YouTube channel Arun Reddy Tech for you. And in this video, we are going to learn a topic called Python string. So in Python string, we are going to see what is string, how to create a string, how to access a string, and what are the string operations and what are the string methods. So friends, if you are watching my video first time and if you want to learn Python, you can go through my channel playlist. In playlist, you can find Python folders where remaining videos are available. And if you don't want to miss my video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share my videos. So let us move to our topic. So coming to our topic. So first, what is the first topic? What is string? So let us start. What is string? Okay. So what is string? String can be defined as sequence of characters represented in the quotation marks. Okay. So we represent sequence of characters in quotation marks. Okay. So Python can treat single quotation the same as double quotation. So we can use both single quotations and double quotations. Both are same. For example, you can see here var1 I have used single quotation hello world. Okay, same way var2 I have used double quotation Python program. Both are same. Okay, either you can use single quotations or double quotation. So let us see how many ways we can create a string. Okay, so next topic, creating a string. Okay, so we can create them simply by enclosing characters in quotes. Okay, so within the quotes we have to give the string. Okay, so in Python we can use string single, double or triple quotations to be defined to the string. Okay, so we use single, double and triple quotations also. Okay, so single and double are both are same. Okay, Python will treat single and double both for both are same, but triple quotations it is used for multi lines. Okay, suppose if you want to write some string, okay, some text, two or three lines, then we can use triple quotation. So let us see a small example. First, single quotation, you can see if I say a is equal to hello in the single quotation, if I print a, then it will print output as hello. Same way double quotations, b is equal to c, in the double quotation hello, when I say type b, automatically it will print hello, right? Same way triple quotation, see how you in the triple quotation you can use single or double. Okay, single triple quotations or double triple quotations. Okay, I have used single triple quotation. C is equal to triple quotations hello everyone. Okay, so when I print, automatically you can see. Okay, so multi-line it will print. Okay, so this is how we can create a string in the single, double or triple quotations. So let us move to the next topic, how to access a string. Okay, so how we can access a string. Okay, so there are various ways to access a string, access a characters of a string. Okay, so index, negative index and slicing. So let us see one by one. So index and negative index are used for only single character. Okay, suppose if you want to access single character, then we use index and negative index. Slicing is used for range of characters. So let us see. So first, index, we can use index operator square brackets, okay, to access an character in the string. Okay, so in Python, index starts at 0. So as a string has 6 elements, will have index from 0 to 5. You can see here. Okay, so 0 to 5 I have 6 elements. Okay, suppose I've written s is equal to Python. So now what s contains? Python, right? P is in the 0 index, h is in the y in the 1, t in the 2, h in the 3, o in the 4 and n in the 5th position. So it starts from 0, ends with the size minus 1. Now you can see it's a 6 minus 1 5, so ends at the size minus 1. So let us see a small example. For example, if I want to print p, so what I will say, print s of 0. Okay, so 0 is the index where p exists, right? So it will give output as p. So if I say print s of 2, what is there in the 2? T. So it will return output as t. If I say s of 5, what is there in the 5? N. So it will print as n. Okay, so this is how uh, we can access single characters in the string. Okay, so we have a negative indexing also. So what is the difference between indexing and negative indexing? In indexing, we'll have from the left side. See, left side it start from 0 1 2 3 4 5 like that. But in the negative indexing, it start from the right side. Okay, so it will start from the right side with a minus 1. Okay, starting element will be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. This is called negative indexing. Okay, so in the string we can use indexing or negative indexing. So let us see how we can print with using negative indexing. For example, if I want to print n, so what is there in the n? Minus sorry, where is n? In the minus 1. So what I will say, print s minus 1. So it will print n. Same way, if I say print s minus 3. What is there in the minus 3? H. So it will print output as H. Same way, print S minus 6. What is there in the minus 6? P. So it will print P, right? So this is how negative indexing work. Okay, so indexing and negative indexing were used to access individual elements. Suppose if you want to access range of elements, then we can use slice. Now we can see slicing, we can access range of items, okay, by using slice operator, square brackets and colon. Okay, so we use index and negative index in slicing. Okay, we can use both indexing and negative indexing in slicing. You can access characters of string from beginning, middle, ending. For example, you can see here s is equal to python. So p start from 0, y1, t in the second position, h in the third, o in the fourth, and n in the 5, right? Suppose if I want to print py, only py, so how can I print? I will say s of 0 2. 2 is the ending number. Before 2 it will end. Okay, that means it will end at the minus 1. Okay, sorry, 1. It will end the sorry, it will start from the 0 and it ends at the 1. Okay, so for example, if I say 0 colon 2, it will print py. Why py? Because from the 0 it will start, okay, and ends at the 2 means before 2, that is 1. Okay, so py. Same way if I say 2 4, so where what it will print? 2 is from t, right, and it ends before 4. Before 4 means o is a 4, before 4 h, so th, it will print th. Same way 4 colon 6 means it will print 0 n. Okay, you can also use negative index. For example, if I say minus 4 minus 2, okay, so what it will print? th, because it start from the minus 4. Minus 4 is t, and 2 is 0, right, sorry, o, but it will print before o, right, that is th. Okay, so this is how we can access elements by using indexing, negative indexing, and slicing. So let us see some example in the python how we can create and access the elements. Now we are in the python program, so let us see how we can create a string and how we can access a string. Okay, for example, I will create s1 is equal to, okay, I will type hello. I will type hello. First, let us create a string by using single quotation, hello. Right. Now I will use s1, it will print see hello. Same way I will say s2. This time I am going to take double quotations. Python, I will say python. Okay, in the double quotations. And if I say s2, see, both are same. Even if I take single quotation or double quotation, both are same. Okay, so let us move to the next how we can do with the triple quotation. There is another one called triple quotation. Suppose if you have 2 or 3 lines to type, okay, then s3, I will use s3 as a variable. S3, 3 quotations, see, 3 single quotations I have used. I will click enter. Now I'll say hello everyone. Hello everyone. Okay, just 2 lines I am taking. You can print number of lines, and I will just close with the quotation. See, enter. Right, if I say s3, see what it is printing, hello everyone. Okay, slash n is nothing but a next line. Okay, so this is how we can print multiple lines by using triple quotations. Now let us see how we can access an element. For example, there is a s1 hello, right? Now I want to access s1 elements, any of one element, so I can use index slicing. Okay, so I will say 0. So what is there in the 0? 0 is the first element, h, right? So if I say 0, see, it is printing h. Same if I say s1 in the python, if I say 5, s2, right, s2, this is a python. I have taken s2 as a python, so I'll say s2 0 1 2 3 4 5 for fifth element. Okay, right, so what it is printing? N. Nice, right? Suppose if I want only to print ton, how can I print? Okay, I will just say s2 slicer, right? Okay, first we'll see negative index, then we'll go for slicer. Okay, so negative index, for example, if I say minus 6, so it will print p. See, it has printed p. Now let us see how we can access range of elements. Okay, for example, I want to access range of elements in the s2, that is python. Okay, so for example, I want to print t to n. Okay, so I will just say s2 open bracket. So what is the element? T. t is the second element. Okay, so wait till where I want to print 6. Okay, because n ends at the fifth element. So if I give 6 before it will stop, right? Enter. See, ton. Okay, ton. Python, ton. It has printed ton. Same way, I want to print pi. So what can I do? This time we'll use negative indexing. Okay, so I will start with the -1, -2, -3, -4. Okay, so I will start, so I will end at -4 and I will start with the -6. Okay, so -6 semicolon -4. Okay, pi. See what it has printed, pi. Okay, this is how we can use slicer. Okay, slicer will also help us to access range of elements. Okay, not a single element. Indexing and negative indexing will help us to access only individual element. Okay, element means characters, individual characters, but slicer will help us to access range of elements. Okay, now let us move to the next topic. Okay, coming to our next topic, string operations. Okay, so let us see what are the string operations we have. First one, concatenate operator. Okay, so suppose if you want to add two elements, here you can see hello world. Okay, I want to add both the element hello world. So I can use plus. Plus is symbol used for a concatenate operator. Okay, so same way we use repetition. Okay, you can see here asterisk symbol. Okay, this is used to repeat a same text multiple times. Suppose if I want to print hello 3 times or 5 times. Okay, here by mistake I have written 3 times. Okay, so it will print only 2 times. Okay, so a into 2 means 2 times it will print. Okay, same way membership also there, which will return true. Okay, in membership again we have two, not in and not in, sorry, in and not in. So what in will do, suppose if I say a is equal to hello, right? E in a, so it will return true because e is there in the a. If I say e not in a, it will return false. Okay, so this is how our membership function will work. So let us see a small example. Now we are back to the Python program. So let us see, for example, if I say a is equal to hello, a is equal to hello, right? Now let us see what this concatenate operator will do. I will also take another one, b. Okay, world. Okay, right, hello world. Okay, right. Now let me click enter. So now, sorry, I forgot to enter the quotations. Okay, so world. Okay, right. So now I have taken a is equal to hello, b is equal to world. Now I want to combine the both the elements. Okay, so I'll say a plus b, a plus b. See what it is printing, hello world. Okay, you can also give a space when you are declaring. Okay, right. So this is how it will print hello world. Same way, there's another operator called repetition. So we use asterisk symbol. For example, I want to print hello multiple times. So a into 3. Okay, so we use into symbol which we use for calculations. Okay, right. See, 3 times it is printing hello hello hello, right? Nice. Suppose if I want to check, there is a membership function. Okay, so which will check the elements is inside the string or not. Okay, for example, I want to check e element in what it is, a, in a. Enter. See what it is saying, true. That means e is there in the a. Okay, so e is there in the a because what is a, hello. Hello, you can see e is there. Suppose if I print the same, e not in a, what it will give, false. So this is how operators will work. Okay, so what is it, concatenate operator, repetition operator, and membership. Okay, so let us move to the next one, our next topic. Our next topic is common Python string methods. Okay, so there are a lot of Python string methods. Okay, but I will take only a 6 Python methods, 6 or a 5 common which we use regularly. Okay, so let us start first with the length. Okay, so what length will do, it will return the length of a string. For example, if I take hello world. Okay, so hello 5 words, world 5 words, and space. Okay, so total 10. It will print as 10. Same way we have upper. What upper will do, it will convert the whole text into uppercase. Hello world. Okay. So the same way we have lower, which will convert all the text into lowercase. See, if I say a dot lower, automatically all the text will be converted into lower. Same way we have capitalize. What do you mean by capitalize? Means first word will be capital, remaining will be small. Okay. So we have another function called count. What count will do? It will count the number of characters available in the string. For example, you can see here, if I take a is equal to hello, let us assume I have taken a is equal to hello. Now I want to check L, count of L. Okay. So a dot count L. Okay. So actually in the a hello world is there, so total will be 3, but I am saying a is equal to, let us assume a is equal to hello, and if I say a dot count L, so it will show output as 2, right? So let us see a practical example. Now we are back to the Python program. So let us see how we can implement these methods in Python. Okay, so Python string. So first I will take a is equal to, let us assume Python. Okay, so Python, right, enter. Now you can see I have taken all in the small letters, right? Okay, so first let us see what is the length. What is length, what it will do. So if I say len a, so what will be the length of a Python, sorry, length of a string? 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? So if I click enter, see, it is showing 6. Now let us see what is this uppercase. Suppose if I want to see Python in the capital letters, all the letters in the string a in the capital letters. So what I will do, a dot upper, upper, see. Same way lower. Lower, what it will do, it will convert all the text into lowercase. Okay, so lower, see. Same way there is also a capitalize. Okay, so what capitalize will do, it will convert all letters into first, sorry, first letter will be capital, remaining will be small. See, first letter is capital, remaining are small. Okay, so there is another function called count. For example, if I want to check count, okay, count. Okay, so before that I will write a dot count. Okay, so what count will do, it will check a element whether it exists in the string or not. For example, if I say h, suppose if it exists, how many times it exists. Okay, so close bracket, enter. See, it is showing 1. Same way, suppose if I take b is equal to hello, let us assume I will take b is equal to hello, right? So this time you can see lr twice, lr twice in a string b, right? So now what I will do again, b dot count, and I will ask l, how many times l is there in the b. So it will give answer as 2. See, this is how we can use different methods in the string. Okay, so friends, keep practicing. Thank you.